there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for the most entertaining and brutally honest product comparisons on the internet. Today, we've got a showdown between two robotic cleaning titans, the eufy RoboVac 11S Max, let's call it eufy, and the iRobot Roomba J7, or just Roomba for short. Let's see which one cleans up and which one gets swept under the rug. First up, let's talk about the price. Eufy comes in at a wallet-friendly $249. That's right, you can get it without having to sell a kidney. Roomba, on the other hand, is a whopping $599. At that price, it better not just clean my floors, but also cook me dinner and tuck me into bed. Eufy is slim, like runway model slim, with a 2.85-inch profile. It's so quiet, you might mistake it for a whispering ghost. Perfect for those midnight cleaning sprees when you can't sleep because you just watched a horror movie. Roomba, however, is a bit bulkier, but navigates like a pro. It's got more sensors than a paranoid spy in a James Bond film. Eufy runs for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors. That's longer than most people can run without collapsing. Roomba? It doesn't specify, but for $599, I expect it to keep going until it finds a gold nugget under my couch. Eufy has Boost IQ technology, which sounds like something from a sci-fi movie. It automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when needed. Roomba, on the other hand, has Imprint Smart Mapping. This thing can remember your house better than you do. You can even set keep-out zones and clean zones. Roomba is like that overly helpful friend who knows exactly where your mess is and avoids your no-go zones, like your stash of snacks. Eufy comes with a remote control, charging base, and even a cleaning tool. It's like getting a whole cleaning kit for the price of one. Roomba? It's got iRobot Genius, which means you can set it to clean when you leave the house and stop when you come back. It's like a cleaning ninja that strikes when you're not looking. Summarizing the reviews, Eufy is praised for its quietness, affordability, strong suction power, and ability to navigate tight spaces. However, it may require frequent cleaning and might get stuck on cords. Roomba, on the other hand, is lauded for its advanced mapping and obstacle recognition features, making it a time-saving tool despite being noisier and pricier. Reviewers appreciate its efficient cleaning and responsive customer service. That's it for today's showdown. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. And remember, folks, shop smart, not hard. Also, let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Happy cleaning, everyone!